America. Our glow was once felt around the world, but lately that glow isn't shining as bright as it used to. Well, I believe in a glow you can believe in. Glowing beliefs. That's what we need to make America glow again. From the small theaters to the biggest arenas, no matter where you are, that's what you deserve. No, that's what America deserves, and that's why I want to be your fixture. So help me take back this great nation of ours and help me make it glow. Glow for America. I'm Stiletto Glo 19, and I approve this message.